Don't waste leftover rice. Make this fresh shrimp egg fried rice, a hit for the whole family. Heat oil in a wok. Crack in 2 eggs and scramble quickly until set. Add shrimp and stir fry until pink. Pour in leftover rice. Stir fry non-stop over high heat until every grain is fluffy and separate. Toss in diced cucumber. Season with a pinch of salt and light soy sauce. Stir well and serve. Simple, quick, and delicious. Add light soy sauce, a little cooking oil, and water to the plate. Stir well. Take the instant noodle block, soak both sides, then place it on the plate. Crack an egg next to the noodles. Add shredded carrot and pour some water over the noodles. Put pre-marinated beef on top and close the lid tightly. Steam on medium heat for 8 minutes after the water boils. Open the lid. Add fresh lettuce leaves, then cover it back up. Keep steaming for 1 more minute to cook the lettuce lightly. Mix all the food together and you have a simple, satisfying plate of noodles. This insanely garlicky chicken wing recipe is absolutely incredible. Cut each chicken wing in half right at the joint, then toss them with ginger, green onions, white pepper, salt, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Mix thoroughly. Add a teaspoon of cornstarch, toss again evenly, and let them marinate for 15 minutes. Heat up a pan and lay all the wings in it over medium heat. Fry one side until golden before flipping. Once both sides develop a crispy sear, push the wings to one side of the pan. Toss minced garlic in and saute until fragrant. Then add diced bell peppers and onions. Stir everything quickly so every wing gets coated in garlic flavor. Then turn off the heat and plate. Tender, juicy, and full of garlic, totally addictive. Grab a cucumber and an apple, slice them both thin. Drizzle a little sesame oil. Combine toasted white sesame, toasted black sesame, and a pinch of salt. Crush them in a bag. Mix everything together. Crisp, sweet, refreshing, and so easy to make. Give it a go. Scoop soft tofu onto a plate. Whisk 2 eggs with some water and pour over the tofu. Then top with broccoli and shrimp. Steam over medium heat for 8 minutes after the water boils. Let it rest 2 minutes. Drizzle light soy sauce and sesame oil on top. Low-fat, high-protein steamed egg tofu with shrimp is ready. 1 chicken thigh, 2 chicken thighs. Fry until golden brown on both sides. Apple slices, onion slices, ginger slices, lighter soy sauce, darker soy sauce, oyster sauce, rock sugar, half a bowl of water. Cover and simmer over medium-low heat for 15 minutes. Turn to high heat to thicken the sauce. Cut into pieces, then serve and enjoy. Super easy cabbage and egg stir fry, simple and totally irresistible. Shred cabbage and carrots. Crack 4 eggs into a bowl and whisk them up. Heat oil in a wok. Put in the egg mixture and fry until it sets. Cut it into chunks with a spatula, then scoop it out for later. Stir fry minced garlic in the wok until fragrant. Add shredded cabbage and carrots. Stir fry over high heat until crisp and bright. Put the eggs back in. Add a little salt, chicken powder, and light low-sodium soy sauce. Toss everything on high heat until well combined, then serve and enjoy. Heat wok. Add oil. Add marinated beef. Stir fry over high heat until browned. Remove and set aside. Add a little more oil to the wok. Stir fry minced garlic, green and red peppers until fragrant. Toss in bean sprouts. Stir fry on high heat until soft. Season with a pinch of salt. Mix well, then return beef to the wok. Drizzle low-sodium light soy sauce and a touch of oyster sauce. Stir thoroughly over high heat, then serve. Tasty and simple home stir fry. Put choy and red pepper strips into the pan. Toss with minced garlic. Drizzle light soy sauce and oyster sauce. Spray a little cooking oil all over. Cover and simmer on medium-low heat for 4 minutes. Then toss everything up. Ready to serve. This ground pork and potato stir-fry is super easy and pairs perfectly with steamed rice. Pour some oil into the pan. Fry your potato cubes until they're fully cooked, then set them aside. Add the ground pork to the pan and stir constantly until it's nicely browned. Pour in a splash of rice wine first. Toss in ginger and scallions, then add dark soy sauce. Stir thoroughly to coat the meat. Put the cooked potatoes back into the pan. Season with salt, MSG, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Stir well so every piece absorbs the savory flavor. Put in starch slurry. Toss all ingredients evenly to get that glossy sauce. Garnish with green onions and diced red peppers. Then serve and enjoy. Crack an egg into a bowl. Separate the yolk and keep only the egg white. Add some whole milk and a little sugar. Stir everything well and skim off the foam on top. Cover the bowl with a plate. Steam on medium heat for 12 minutes, then rest for 3 minutes. Your super silky milk pudding is ready. Give it a try. Don't toss leftover dumpling wrappers. Cut each into 3 pieces. Stretch thin into noodles. Boil water. Drop noodles in. Cook fully, then transfer to a bowl. Add chili flakes, minced garlic, white sesame seeds. Pour hot oil. Add light soy sauce, a little MSG, green onions and cilantro. Mix well. Spicy, chewy, simple, totally delicious.